Today we're diving into game-changing strategies to turbocharge your online business side hustle with ChatGPT. Stick around to find out how ChatGPT can be your ultimate ally in the world of online business success, saving you time and making you more money. And I'll reveal the craziest thing about ChatGPT. But first, let me just show you quickly how to get into ChatGPT. It's free as of making this video, so simply head over to chat.openai.com to sign in. So at chat.openai.com, you can log in if you already have an account or sign up. So just click the sign up button. You can sign in with your email, with Google or your Microsoft account. Then it wants to know a little bit about you. So tell it your birthday, press continue, and then also give your phone number so that ChatGPT can send you a code. Use the code that you received to finally authorize and get in. So make sure to check all the facts that you get with ChatGPT. Don't take anything for granted, and voila, we're in and we can start prompting for questions and ideas with ChatGPT 3.5, which is free. Every chat that you create will end up to your left, and you can keep on chatting with the bot in each chat. It's like you have a continuing conversation with a bot. Let's dive into the strategy of content creation. You can now say goodbye to those dreaded moments of just staring into a blank screen, not knowing what to write and how to write it. Did you know that ChatGPT can produce over 5,000 words for you in less than an hour? It's like having a team of writers working around the clock for you. And they're not even asking for a coffee break. It just keeps on typing. If you've ever struggled with writer's block or spending countless hours trying to craft the perfect text, ChatGPT will save your day. It can generate high quality text at the snap of your fingers, making you, for example, a website text that is selling, engaging, and really high quality. So you could, for example, prompt the bot with write a blog post about sustainable fashion trends, and it will create a detailed article that's ready to publish. But you should then actually rewrite the text to suit your brand, your tone of voice, your target audience, and your call to action. Make the text yours. Hey, I'm Malin, I'm your online mentor here to help you create the business and life you deserve. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you don't miss out on everything online business on this channel. Now let's move on to the next strategy, blog post creation. ChatGPT can generate blog posts for you faster than you can say the word blog. In fact, it can provide you with a list of blog posts, topics, in just seconds. And it doesn't even ask for a thank you, though I've tried to give it one because I felt almost bad for asking it for so much for free. But you could easily create 10 blog posts in a day, saving you hours of work. So you could, for example, ask it to create a title and some initial content on a certain topic of your liking. And look how much it actually produces in just seconds. Next strategy is YouTube video creation. So ChatGPT is not only for writing, it's also for being your partner in creating and planning videos. It can actually analyze the latest YouTube trends, helping you create content that is not only engaging but also relevant. It's like having your own crystal ball for future success. And the best part? It never complains about having a bad hair day. It's always ready to rock. So you can basically script your videos in half the time. And ChatGPT will also provide you feedback about your ideas, your titles, your hooks, and help you craft them and improve them until you're satisfied. And once you get a script, you can always rewrite it and add your own words, your own text, and your own feel and tone of voice. Make it your own. And also always remember to bring in a call to action. Smash like if this is giving you value. It's much appreciated. Thank you. Next strategy is email marketing. You already know the power of email campaigns and email marketing, right? But did you know that ChatGPT can help you craft persuasive emails that actually make your readers say, I want in. This really increases engagement, and it's like your potential customers are thinking, are they mind readers? So you can send thousands of emails to thousands of subscribers, and it's gonna increase the chance of them opening your emails by 30%. So you can, for example, ask the tool to create an outline for a newsletter for Black Friday. And it will produce a newsletter for Black Friday for example, sustainable fashion, if that's what you're into. The next strategy is social media planning. So you can ask the tool to create a social media plan for you with content and days to post. This is incredible. It's going to produce valuable content that is engaging. It's going to help you stay consistent on social media. It's going to skyrocket your footprint and the engagement from your viewers, followers, customers, etc. And you'll never have to worry again about coming up with the next idea for your next blog post, your next social media post, or your next video. It can even help you find emojis suitable for your posts. And you can plan weeks of social media content in just a couple of hours, and it will increase the engagement on your social platforms with 50%. Congratulations! So you can, for example, ask it to create a content calendar for Instagram for a certain topic that you're into, and it will produce the plan and the content. This is extremely time-saving. Do you agree? Yes or no? Tell me in the comments. Moving on to the next strategy, product descriptions. So ChatGPT can help you create compelling product descriptions that will increase your sales. Your products will be flying off your virtual shelves and the money will be flowing into your pockets. It can adapt its writing style according to your brand, from formal to casual, for example, and it adapts to your target audience if you describe it properly. And it doesn't get offended if you discard some of the proposals. So you could create, 50 product descriptions in a day? Can you imagine how productive you can be with this tool? And it's free! How crazy is that? But that's not the craziest thing. I'll tell you about the craziest thing in a little bit. Last but not least is the strategy of market research. This is important. So ChatGPT can be your detective, analyzing the market, customer behavior, and competition, saving you hours that you instead can invest in income-producing activities. And did you know that it can analyze data from multiple sources? So instead of you surfing the internet and looking at all different kinds of web pages, you can have this chat conversation in one place with the bot, and you can ask it questions over and over again, as many as you want to, until you have the results and the information that you want. So you could, for example, ask it to analyze the trends for sustainable fashion, and it will come back with trends that can help you stay ahead of competition. Do you know what the craziest thing is, though, about ChatGPT? That it feels like you're talking to a really smart friend, and you can ask all the questions you want. You can be as selfish as you need, without feeling bad. And it kind of feels like you're taking advantage of this friend, but hey, it's a robot, so you don't have to feel bad. But isn't this crazy that you feel you're talking to a friend? Tell me how crazy you think this is in the comments down below. Now, next you need to move on to finding the time and the money to do all of this. So see you in the next video.